Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mensah Alkebu-Lan. I'm a software engineer with Universal Equations. I'm out here running an errand. I figured I'd talk to my developers real quick. That's, the JVM developers, Spring Boot, Micro Profile, my Node.js developers, my Python Flask, et cetera, Swift. Whatever you're doing. Generally, with this, current emphasis on modern microservices development, which generally includes cloud and application containerization. The question, always arises. What should our local development environments look like? And for many of us, recently, it's included an extension called Codewind. And once you get your IDE, which we've been talking about VS Code, so we'll just continue with that. Once you get your VS Code set up, whether you got a Mac or Linux, Windows, etc., and make sure you got the Windows 10 Pro. If you got Windows 10 Home, it's not going to be enough, because when it's time to download your and install your Docker desktop, you won't be able to do it because you got to have that Hyper-V on your Windows operating system in order for it to work. So if you're on Windows 10 Home or you're thinking about getting a Windows laptop, make sure it has Windows 10 Pro. Otherwise, you're going to be paying an additional $200 for Windows 10 Pro. And, it's just the way it is. So again, once you get your Docker desktop set up, then the next step is your Codewind. It fits right on top of that. So again, if you're using a VS Code, go to the VS Code marketplace, get your Codewind extension. It's coming from the Eclipse website, eclipse.org. They have a proven track record in the development community, and it's gonna give you that extra productivity when it comes to modern microservices development. And again, it doesn't really depend on what language or frameworks that you're using. Not much with Scala. And I guess I should also say that you can create some of your own templates and et cetera. So I think I'm going to try to create some for some of the Scala stuff, particularly like Akka and et cetera, Akka-based frameworks, and see if I can, commit those to GitHub. But essentially, I think that may be all we need to discuss today. I hope you have an amazing rest of your afternoon. Happy coding.